Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started.
Okay, so first let's hide these layers. Let's make compositions. Select these first stars. Let's enable. And let's right mouse, precomps, add name stars. Click OK. Let's open. Okay, let's hide composition. Select these lamp layers, lamp 3, lamp lines, main 2, 1. Okay, let's right mouse, precomps, add name, lamps. Let's see. Okay, and let's select this icon, region of interest, and let's make region like this. And go to composition, click crop, come to region of interest, and close composition, move to here, hide composition, open stars composition, and let's use again region of interest. Let's select region, go to composition, crop, come to region of interest, close composition. Let's see. Nice. Hide compositions, and let's enable all layers, and let's hide peak icons and coins, stars and lamps. Okay, so first let's create null object. Let's go to layer, new, and null object, and for move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click on behind icon, click session tool, and change name controller. Okay, so select these background and background shapes. Let's go to solo and let's lock layers. Then select these, let's see, layer 1, add name, layer calendar. And select layer, let's link to controller. Select controller, let's see. Okay, but let's Ctrl Z, select controller, change scale, and move to center like this. And select this picky. Okay, let's move to here. Let's hide layer and select this layer, full calendar, and link to controller. Select controller, let's press P, move to left, make new patching keyframe, and go to some seconds, move to center. Select keyframes, make easies, or click F9. Let's animation. Okay, very simple. Select keyframes, go to graph editor. Let's add graphs for smooth animation like this. Let's see. Okay, let's move to level it a bit like this. Nice. So back to keyframes, and in this time let's select this red and color purple, link to main layer, and let's move to right with a bit. Select check, link to red. Let's see. Okay, so in this time select this red layer and press T, change opacity 0, and select this check, press T, change opacity 0. Let's see. Nice. So in this time select this layer left ground, go to first, second, and let's press P, make new patching keyframe. Okay, let's see. Let's move to right this layer and move to down, go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard, and let's move to up, go to 10 keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste, and select last keyframe. Let's move to up like this. Let's zoom to here and go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3. Let's move to up for bounce animation. Go to 3 keyframe again, 1 to 3. Select this keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and let's see. Okay. And select keyframes. Let's make keyframe as an easiest. Let's say again. Okay, we have problem with last keyframes. Let's right mouse, select only last 3 keyframes. Go to keyframe interpolation, change current settings to linear. Click OK. Okay, so select keyframes, go to graph editor. I want to falling graph for realistic falling. Let's select this layer, move to left, and this move to right. Let's see. Let's see here. Nice. Back to keyframes, select these last 4 keyframes, move to left, and select these last 3 keyframes, move to left. Very nice. So select keyframes. Let's move to right 3 keyframes, a little bit, and go to here. Select left ground, hold shift, press S, and make scale keyframes. Move to right and change scale 0. Select scale keyframe, make easiest. Let's see. Select these all position keyframes, move to left. Very good. So in this time, let's hold shift, press R, open rotation, make rotate keyframe, change rotation -10, and go to here, change 5, and go to here, change -2.5. Go to again some keyframes, change 1, and go to last keyframe, change 0. Select rotation keyframes, make easiest. Okay, let's see. Nice, not bad. So in this time, select these keyframes, all positions, scale and rotation keyframes. Let's Ctrl C for copy, and select this other plant, move to right here, and go to first, second, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, and let's press P, select all position keyframes, go to last position. This is very important. And go to last position keyframes and select all positions. Move to right. Let's see. Nice. And let's move to right this little bit. Very good. Okay, so let's select this layer 3 and move to right. And let's Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. Press P. Go to last keyframe and select all position keyframes. Move to up and move to left. Okay, let's animation. Let's go to solo. Very good. And select this line and go to solo. Select from behind. Move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and unsolo. Let's move to right. Okay, and press S, click this icon, change scale 0. Make scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, change scale 110, go to some keyframes, change 95, go to again some keyframes, change 100 for bounce animation. Select these all keyframes, make easiest. Let's see. Nice. Select these keyframes, let's move to left for fast animation. And move to left. Very good. Okay, so let's make some keyframes for background layer. Let's select this main layer, move to right, and let's Ctrl V, press P, go to last position keyframe, select all positions, and move to up. Nice, and select these lines. Let's see. Okay, let's select these scale keyframes, Ctrl C, select these lines, move to here, and go to solo. Move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. We can add rotations. Press U and hold shift, press R. Make rotation keyframe, change rotation -10. Go to here, change 5, and go to here, change -2. Go to last keyframe, change 0. So select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice, let's unsolo. Okay, that's good. So let's close keyframe settings and let's make timing. Select these, left ground and right ground. Move to here. Nice, and move to left these layers. And these layers. Okay, this animation. Nice. Okay, move to right a little bit. Okay, not bad. Let's select this layer plant and move to anchor point here. Clisation tool. Press S, change scale 0, make sketch keyframe. Let's go to solo and go to 10 keyframe, change scale 110, go to some keyframes, change 95, go to again some keyframes, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, so let's add rotations. Go to first second, hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation 10. Go to here, change -5. Let's see. Okay, and change 2 and 0. Make keyframes easies, and let's hold Alt, move to left. Let's see. Nice. Let's unsolo and let's see timing. Okay, let's move to right here and move to inside. Nice, not bad. So select this background shape and press S. Let's change scale 0, make scale keyframes, go to 10 keyframe, let's go to solo, change scale 110, go to 10 keyframe, change 95, go to 10 keyframe again, change 105, go to 10 keyframe, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, let's hold Alt, move to left these keyframes. Let's select these last keyframes, hold Alt, move right a little bit. Okay, let's unsolo, let's see. Nice, not bad. So friends, this is part 1 and I will show next things in part 2. I will share video, part 2 video and part 3.
So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comment and have a good days. Good luck!